Really dumb name for a super, super cute product. These are Halloween themed meat shredders. Had to get this. Comes packaged perfectly. If you have a friend who loves Halloween, this will make a perfect gift. Seriously, these are so cute. These are fantastic quality. These are really, really nice, thick plastic. Very heavy, sturdy. They feel pretty sharp. I think these are going to be amazing. I normally just use a fork to shred. I've been wanting some of these for a while, and I thought, come on, do I really need them? But then these, yeah, I really do need these. Let's try it out. I've had some chicken over here cooking in the crock pot all day. I'm going to make chicken fries. And no, not the Tyson kind. Actual chicken fries. Chicken on fries. I like to batch cook, so I've had these in there cooking all day, enough for 2 meals. Now, the first thing I will say is I love the way these hold, that you hold them. It's a very comfortable feel. This is incredible. Yes, chicken in the crock pot typically shreds quite easily. But when I tell you that normally with a fork, this takes me, I don't know, 5 or 6 minutes minimum, and I'm done. Are you serious? This is crazy how I haven't lived my life without this thing. Kitchen gadgets for the win. This thing is so sharp, and it just shreds it like it's nothing. I'm literally shocked. I cannot be more shocked and pleased with these things. I'm truly shocked. I'm shocked. I'm gonna pop them in the dishwasher. My day is done. Well, I still have to make the entire meal, but you know, semantics. If you like watching weird random reviews and you especially love holidays, be sure to subscribe because I'm all about the holidays. Have you ever tried these? Because what?